Here we have the first ever winners of the inaugural Women's Premier League. That is the best side they have been throughout the tournament. The Mumbai Indians are the champions of the Women's Premier League. You can hear the noises from here. The Brabant Stadium is erupted and you have the champions, that is Mumbai Indians. The Harmanpreet Kaur is going to lift the trophy of the Women's Premier League, and here we are. They started out with a bang at the D.Y. Patil Stadium. They're ending here at the Brabant Stadium with another trophy in the Mumbai Indians franchise cabinet. And let's check out what happened in this final on Chitale Bandhu Mithaiwale presents The Outside View.
Chitale Bandhu Mithaiwale is proud to associate with Women's Cricket Zone to support and promote women's cricket.
Delhi Capitals, Mumbai Indians, two sides, they were neck to neck when it came to applying all their efforts on the field. The number one ranked side in the points table and the number two side faced in the final. There was a little bit of collage from the Delhi Capitals side. Even after the 50-run partnership between Radha Yadav and Shikha Pandey, they managed to score only 131 runs and lost 9 wickets. So it was set by Izzy Wong initially with some of her full tosses, if I must say. And then in the second innings, even after losing early wickets, the steady partnership between Natalie Sciver-Brunt and Harmanpreet Kaur guided them to this decisive victory. And here we have the champions of the Women's Premier League. Let's look into details of what happened in these two innings. Meg Lanning won the toss. Harmanpreet Kaur, again she lost the toss one more time in this tournament. And as she said, they wanted to ball first and they got the opportunity. Izzy Wong, who took hat-trick in the previous game, was again on fire and she dismissed Shafali Verma after a fiery start, and Alice Capsey immediately after that. There were run-outs and there were miscommunication, but Radha Yadav and Shikha Pandey added that mammoth partnership in the final. They took the cake in the final 2 overs and they went past 131 at the same time. It didn't look like they'll go past 100. When you look at Mumbai Indians bowling, everyone turned up. Their fielding was fantastic. Some of the catches that Hayley Matthews took, now she is the purple cap holder of this season. And now let's take a Chitale Bandhu snack break. And in the chase, Delhi Capitals did bowl some really tight overs, but Mumbai Indians learned from the Delhi Capitals innings and did not lose their momentum in the middle overs. They built on that partnership. And Natalie Sciver-Brunt, what can we talk about this England legend? 50 in the eliminator against UP Warriors, 50 again today in the final, and she's been terrific for the Mumbai Indians, and that is the reason why the home crowd was there to support the Mumbai team, and they won it in front of amazing crowd here at Brabant Stadium. This ends the 22 days old mega event that was Women's Premier League. Thank you for all of your support to Women's Cricket Zone throughout this season, and see you around. And this whole season was possible because fans and supporters like you. So cheers from the Brabant Stadium. See you soon.
Chitale Bandhu Mithaiwale is proud to associate with Women's Cricket Zone to support and promote women's cricket.